How to transfer money from Chase to TD Bank. Follow the instructions. Log into your Chase online account or mobile app. Tap on Pay and Transfer option. Select Transfer Money. Choose External Accounts. Add your TD Bank account information. Enter your TD Bank routing number and account number. Confirm ownership by completing the verification process. Wait for Chase to verify your TD Bank account with small deposits. Check your TD Bank account for the small deposits. Return to Chase and confirm the exact deposit amounts. Once verified, go back to Pay and Transfer. Select your Chase account as the From account. Select your TD Bank account as the To account. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transfer. Thank you for watching.